Welcome to the iOSpawn YouTube channel. Today we're going to do the unboxing of the Bose Soundlink Flex Bluetooth speaker. This is a high-end Bluetooth speaker delivering top quality audio. Now let's see what's inside the box. Bose really does know how to make beautiful products. So you have the charging cable, and it's a USB-C. That's a user's manual. Not many really go through it, so it's most likely going to get binned. And that's what we got inside the box. The speaker's got a nice rubbery finish. It's got a USB-C charging port. It's got a few buttons on top like power, volume up and down, and Bluetooth fine. These come in 4 different colors: red, black, blue, and the snow white what I've got. And this is a waterproof and dustproof speaker. Guys, I hope you like the video. If you do, thumbs up. Cheers.